was a small lion cub who lived in a big golden grassland. He was little, but he had lots of energy and loved to explore. Every day he watched the big lions walk across the land. He dreamed about going on his own adventure. One morning, the sun was shining bright. Leo's mother was sleeping under a big tree. Leo thought this is a good time to explore. He walked away very quietly so he would not wake her up. As he walked, he saw a bright blue butterfly nearby. I will follow it, he thought. The butterfly flew through the air and Leo ran after it. Soon he reached a place he had never seen before. The grass was tall and he heard strange sound around him. Leo asked, "Hello, is someone there?" his ears moving to listen. Suddenly, a small meerkat jumped out of the grass. "Hi, you are new here? Why did you come to our part of the grassland?" Meerkat said. "I followed a butterfly and now I am lost," Leo said, feeling little worried. The meerkat laughed. "No, I can help, but first let's play." The meerkat name was Tiku. He introduced Leo to his friend Zuri the zebra and Piku the parrot. They played hide and seek, ran through the grass. Leo had so much fun that he forgot he was lost. But soon the sun started to go down. Leo said, "I think I should go home now." Tiku smiled. "Don't worry, I know the way." Tiku showed Leo the way back home. When they arrived, Leo's mother was waiting for him. She looked happy but also a little worried. "Where did you go, my little cub?" she asked kindly. Leo smiled. "I had my first big adventure. I made new friends, played new games, and even found my way home." His mother smiled and licked his head. "That sounds wonderful, but next time tell me before you go." Leo yawned and lay down next to her. "I will, Mama, but I cannot wait for my next adventure." Then little lion cub closed his eyes and went to sleep, dreaming about all the adventure waiting for him.